guys, so I'm back finally actually making an actual video. So I don't know if you can tell, but I've got a new camera, super excited. Not really the point of this video, but yeah, now I'm gonna have like really cool, super high quality content. So today I'm gonna be trying on some Warby Parker glasses. So late January I went to the eye doctor's and I found out that I needed glasses because I've been having a really hard time seeing at school. So yeah. Well, I went on Warby Parker and I did like the little like 5 try on at home thing. This is what it looks like, and then you open it up and then you have all these glasses, and you can probably tell already, but like I got like a bunch of like clear ones. So this isn't sponsored at all. I wish, honestly though, I wish. Basically with this like try on, you pick 5 pairs of glasses online and then you get them shipped to your house for free. This is all free, and then you just have to ship it back after 5 days, and those 5 days just give you a time to try them on, see if you like them, and yeah, and then after you send them back, if you want to buy any, then you can go on to their website and buy some. So it's really cool. Yeah, this is really handy if you don't have like an actual Warby Parker store near you, so I think it's really cool for a company to do, especially like for free. So yeah, I'm just gonna be trying these on, and then I want to get your guys' opinions, so be sure to comment down below. Actually, I'll put a poll, so go up into the poll and tell me which ones you think look best on me, because I'm a very indecisive person, so I'm gonna probably like all of them, and so I'm gonna need your help to help me figure out which ones. So these ones are the Haskell in Crystal. So yeah, you're gonna see like a glare, sorry, that's my windows. But yeah, these are what these ones look like. I think that they're super cute, and I've always wanted to try like clear glasses. I always see like that's kind of like the trend now. All the ones that I picked were like the plastic. I don't think they're actually plastic, but like they're like the plastic ones because they're 1, cheaper, 2, like I feel like I like these kind more than like the metal or whatever. Honestly, I know nothing about glasses because I've never needed glasses, but yeah. The next ones are Casey in the color Melon. These ones are super cute. I got these because I saw Fiona Frills has these ones, and I just thought that they're super cute and they're like really funky and different. But I think that's the cutest kind of pairs of glasses that you want. Like the same kind of glasses that everyone has. That's kind of boring. But these ones are super cute. They're probably my favorite so far. Next are the Coley in the color Crystal. These look kind of small. They look a little too small for my face. I'm not really liking these ones all too much. And they're okay. They're really small. Next are the Eugene Small in Rose Crystal. These are like really thin though. They seem like they're gonna break really easily, but they're so cute. So cute. But they like just seem like they break so easily, and I tend to break things easily, so. And then the last pair are Belle in the color lychee crystal, lychee crystal, I don't know. So they're like very long. Again, they're clear. Yeah, these ones are cute. I don't know how much these ones work with my face shape. Honestly, I don't even know what my face shape is, so I don't even know what I'm talking about. But yeah, they're still cute. I just don't think that they're my favorite. So those are all the glasses. I think that my favorite 2 are definitely the Casey and the Haskell ones. Be sure to click up in the poll which ones you think I should get, because I really need your help because I'm indecisive. Be sure to give this video a like if you liked it. If you liked, don't forget to subscribe down below. More content coming soon, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!